In today's world, making money online is one of the best things you can do due to the simplicity of many online business models. In this video, I will be sharing with you guys the top 5 best ways to make money online for 2023 and a brief overview of how each of them work. But before we actually get into the video, guys, it would be very helpful to me if you guys would go down and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you do not miss out on any of the daily content that I drop, and to help this channel grow so we can reach a bigger audience for people that actually need to see this content. All right, let's start off with the first way to make money online, and this is going to be content creation. Content creation is one of the best forms of making money, as you can film content that you yourself enjoy, so you actually enjoy doing the work, and that will help you in the long run when you are trying to scale your business and you are running into issues. If you actually like what you're doing, then it's going to be easier to push through those obstacles and keep on going. This can be done with YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. These are kind of the more notable ones. But realistically, your first goal is to build an audience. Now, to actually make money with content creation, there are a couple of different things that you can do in order to monetize your channel or your page, whatever it may be, in order for you to actually get paid for your content. Let's start off with YouTube first, where they themselves pay you ad revenue once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 365 days. And then once you do that, every 1,000 views, you will get on average around $5 to $10. This can be very substantial, especially if you are starting to pull in, 1 million views on a video, which if you're getting paid, let's say in between 5 and 10, so 7. If you're getting paid around $7 per 1,000 views and you get a 1 million view video, well, that's going to pay you $7,000, which is absolutely crazy. But this is how nice this business model is, because YouTube does pay very nicely. Another thing you can do in order to monetize your channel is to add affiliate links for products that you may be reviewing in a video. Or if you are sponsored by a company, which is also another way you can get paid, you can just put the link in the description below. If it's like something that, maybe it's like a mobile game, and that link will take them to the download page for that mobile game, you will earn a small commission of whatever it is that they are paying you for sponsorships. And then for affiliate marketing, if someone, for say, clicks on your thing and then, maybe it's an Amazon link, and then they buy something in Amazon within like the next 24 hours, you will get a small commission for what they actually bought, which is a very powerful tool to use if you know how to effectively use it. One of the last ways would be to create merch, which either revolves around your channel name or what your channel is about. So maybe if you're, a fishing channel, you can have fishing merch. And so you can do stuff like that in order for you to actually get monetized and get your actual brand name out there as well. If you have your branding out on the streets, more people might notice you. And, it's going to create a bigger and stronger bond with your fans to your channel. Now, with TikTok and Instagram, sponsorships are usually what you're going to get the most money out of. Like, companies will pay big Instagram influencers to promote their products on a post, and they'll pay per post, while TikTok will just get paid to sponsor a product in their video. So with all these different ways to monetize your content, content creation is by far my #1 pick in terms of making money online, as you can do something that you enjoy as well as making a very significant amount of money with it if you decide to stick with it into the long term and constantly improve the quality of your videos or whatever content you are actually putting out there. The next way to make money online is affiliate marketing on its own. Affiliate marketing is just a very underrated side hustle, as most people pair it up, like I said, with content creation. But if you are to put it on its own, you have a very big potential of making a lot of money. Affiliate marketing is a very underrated side hustle, as it's usually something that is paired with content creation and not something that is solely focused on itself. Affiliate marketing can be done with content creation, like I said, but most notably, it's going to be done through blogs. Blogs allow you to create a website and then write articles revolving around a niche that you picked out. Maybe it's a niche that you yourself have a lot of knowledge into and it's something that you find interest into, or it's something that you want to learn more about. Either way, you can then make like a top 5 products in your niche. So maybe it's fishing, like we said, for content creation. So you'll say top 5 best fishing poles. You can then make an article on the top 5 best fishing poles and then leave links for those fishing poles, in the description of those. So you can draw traffic for these customers to buy the fishing poles from your blog, and then you will obviously earn a small commission of the income, and then you would receive a small commission if they were to buy the product. The only way to actually get paid commissions for drawing traffic to sites like the only way to actually get paid from drawing traffic to these websites is to actually enroll in affiliate programs. And some companies will have them, some companies will not. Amazon most notably has one of the best ones in my opinion that I've tried from time to time. But there's other ones, like I think Coinbase does one with some influencers. They're able to get sponsored by Coinbase, and if someone signs up to Coinbase, then they will get paid a significant amount for that. So that's just something that you guys need to take into consideration. Is some websites will not have affiliate marketing programs, and you don't just want to paste random links. You need to research what are good affiliate marketing websites, like what websites can I put links into, and then find a niche and blah 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 and get all of that worked out. Another way to do affiliate marketing would be to make a YouTube channel solely focused on product reviews, or maybe it's a TikTok page where you do, like, I know there's a very big trend where people do hashtag Amazon finds, and then they'll post the Amazon finds, and then they'll have a link in their bio which will take you to their storefront where all of the products they've used will be in a list. Then you can buy them, and then they get that commission off of what you've bought. So that's a very powerful way to make money as well from doing, maybe if you wanted to do those Amazon finds, that's a very great way to earn money. Overall, this is something that I have not really experimented with that much. It's something that I've had a little bit of experience with, but it's not something I'm very knowledgeable about. So if you want to learn more, just go onto YouTube and, look up affiliate marketing free course, and you will find some. The third way to make money online if you are a creative person is to do print on demand. Print on demand is another great way for you to earn income, and is something that you can do completely for free. Think of print on demand simply as this. All you have to do is create a logo or a design, or just pay someone on Fiverr to do it for you. And then what you can do is go to a website such as Teespring and then upload your design to, go through a process where you will put it on a t-shirt, a mug. You'll just do the sizing for your design to fit on all of these different products. And then you can list these products on your storefront. So basically what Teespring will allow you to do is post not even your t-shirts. So you will not get physically involved with this process at all, besides making the logos and designs. That's all you are going to be doing. Then Teespring will print, they have a big center somewhere, they will print your t-shirt designs onto their own t-shirts and then ship them out to your customer. So it works kind of like drop shipping, but at the same time it does it. You simply create a design, Teespring will put that design on their t-shirts. When someone buys it, your customer will get the product, and then you will get a portion of that payment. Now, Teespring actually will market your products for you on their own store, but in order for that to actually happen, you need to sell at least, I think, 3 t-shirts on your own. And this just doesn't have to be t-shirts. This could be, mug, whatever it may be. You'll just need to market it to your friends and family, or if you have a social media account, you can market it on there. Now, there's other websites that you can take those designs and put them up on. Redbubble is a great one. You don't actually have to market their t-shirts yourself. They will actually just put your designs up on the market as soon as you make them or upload them. So that's really nice to know. And then Amazon also has something where they'll allow you to do kind of the same thing that Teespring does as well. I've tried print on demand before, and I didn't really get too much into it. I think I only made around 25 designs, but that's something that I'm not very good at. I'm not very good at creating designs like that. But if print on demand is something that sounds interesting to you, then just go onto YouTube. Like I said, with affiliate marketing, just look up print on demand courses, and you will find a lot of courses, and then you can just dive into that and start to build up a nice, successful print on demand store. The fourth way to make money online is the one and only drop shipping. Dropshipping gets a very bad reputation, especially with people that actually don't have any experience with it at all. It is for sure something that if you do right, you can earn money from. And how it works is pretty simple. All you have to do is create a website on Shopify where you will sell your products, and then do the research where you will find products that have a nice ROI and apply to the general audience. From here, you then need to actually market your products in order to draw traction to your store. And the best way to do this at the moment is through TikTok. TikTok dropshipping seems to be the current window of opportunity, as the window of opportunity for dropshipping seems to change periodically. Using TikTok, you can dropship for free at the minimum, besides obviously the cost of your Shopify store. But then if you want to see the most success with TikTok dropshipping, you are going to have to pay for TikTok ads, which, will range anywhere from a small amount to a large amount. And this is something you can change as you get more successful products. Dropshipping is something you need to be well informed on before you begin. You can't just jump in and expect to make results. So I would highly recommend, either going and buying cheap, smaller courses that have really good content in there, but are cheaper, or just simply look up on YouTube, like I've said with mostly everything else, free dropshipping courses. Like, I've literally watched a 10-hour free dropshipping course. 10 hours, guys. There's literally a 10-hour dropshipping course. I am pretty sure it might have been 5. I don't know if I was over exaggerating that, but 5 to 10 hours is just completely insane to do for free. So make sure to look that up if this is something that you want to do, just with any of these side hustles. Dropshipping is not something that will be going away for a while, but TikTok dropshipping might be around for only a year or two longer. So this is something that if you want to do, you need to act on now. The final way to make money online is through online courses. Online courses monetarily are one of the best ways to earn money, as you can charge your online courses for a pretty significant amount if the quality of your course is at that value of what it's worth. A smart person who is aiming to make a lot of money is going to want a next income source, and adding an online course where you have all this knowledge already on something like a skill. It could be a money skill, it could be something else, but then to translate that into an online course where you then will pay people for your knowledge is something that is very smart to do. If you've grown a following through content creation already, then a course will be the next best step for you to do, as your viewers will probably have already created your trust. But you do not want to break their trust by giving them a very terrible course for a very large price, because then you're just scamming these people at this point. What you want to do is give them, the course for the value of what you made it. So if you've put a lot of work into it, a lot of effort, then you decide a good price for that, and not just, don't go too low for a good course like that, and also don't go too high. You need to match up the value of the course to the value of the content that is actually in it. But overall, I think courses are just another way to grow your following and create another source of income that can be very significant if you do put lots of work into a great course. And that wraps it up for what I think are the top 5 best ways to earn money online in 2023. If you guys did like the video, make sure to leave a like and then comment what you'd like to see next, or just any questions you may have for me. I'm constantly working on building a community of high-valued men that not only work on building themselves up, but the people around them, not only through this platform, but for my community around me. I'm trying to get my friends to places, and I'm trying to get myself as well. We're kind of working as a team. And that's how you should be with, friends of yours, or, if you have a brother and you can do powerful things. So that's all I'm going to say. And I will see you guys in the next video. As always, peace.